Hi Shivam, what are you doing today?
Hey Bhavan, I'm working on Salesforce Flow how you can send SMS using Message Blink app.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah, let me show you. Come closer, come closer, come closer. So Bhavan, this is the record trigger flow I'm working on the based on the opportunity stages. So one is the prospecting, qualification, proposal. Wait. Let me go more deeper into this. As you can see from my screen, I'm taking a contact which is related to opportunity. If I open opportunity stage, which equals to prospecting. For each of the opportunity stages, whether it's a prospecting, qualification, proposal, negotiation, closed one, and default outcome, this is the send SMS 1 Apex action I have created. I'm going to show you the message body of each of the opportunity stages. So for prospecting stage message, so this is the body of the message, which is hi, get opportunity, contact, last name, very important, Shubham from Sastam, interested in message blink, reply yes. It's simple and crisp. Once the prospect moves from prospecting to qualification, so with the qualification, this is the body. Thanks, can we discuss your needs? Reply call to schedule. The third one is proposal. For the proposal, this is the message body. Send the message blink proposal question, reply help anytime. So this message body you can customize as per your workflow. This is a record trigger flow based on the opportunity stages, but dependent upon your use case, you can create it on your own. As you can see, this is a Dickinson mobile generated as an opportunity. The SMS has already been initiated. The reason being is the opportunity stage is marked as prospecting. And once I receive an SMS back from the customer, as you can see, yes, please share the details. Now, again, moving the opportunity stage from prospecting to qualification. As soon as I mark this qualification mark as current stage, there's another SMS which has initiated. I'm just refreshing it, going back. So yes, so thanks, we can discuss your needs, please reply call to schedule. So again, if I receive a response back from customer, call, I'm available tomorrow morning. So this is the SMS I received from the customer. So this is the response I received from the customer. Can you offer flexible payment terms and additional features? So now I'm marking this stage as a closed. Stage as closed one. Saving it now. Perfect. So as you can see, all this opportunity stages with this are now it's closed one. With closed one, so this is the SMS which is triggered. Thanks for choosing Sastrom Message Blink app. Onboarding detail coming soon. And the reply from the customer as well. Thanks, excited to get started. If you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much.